Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook some kale for my family. We're gonna have lunch with the kale and some lentils and rice. So let me show you how I make it. Here I have the kale. It's the curly kale variety. I washed it and I removed the stem and I washed it 3 times. And I have a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, small green chili. If you can tolerate more heat, you can have more than one, like you can have 2 3. And I have my lentils. I always soak my lentil before using them in any recipe. It helps to cut down the cooking time, and it is also very nutritious for your health to soak your lentils and your legumes. So I have a half tomato, and I have a little bit of tamarind soaking here in hot water. You don't have to use this if you are going to use more tomatoes. Like you can increase the tomatoes to 2 and you can cut out this part. And I have my salt. So that's all we'll be needing. Right now I have my pressure cooker. Yes, I'm going to use pressure cooker for this recipe because I find that kale needs to be cooked properly or else it kind of sits heavy on the tummy. So I always cook it in the pressure cooker with my lentils. If you don't have a pressure cooker or you don't want to use a pressure cooker, you can use a saucepan, and you have to cook your lentils separately first and then cook the kale part. So I'm gonna just on the pressure cooker. I have about 2 tablespoons of oil already in there, and I'm going to add my onions, my green chilies, and my cloves of garlic in there. Okay guys, so my onions, garlic and green chili have been cooking for a while now, and I also forgot to mention that I added some Asafoetida in the toor dhal for it to for the digestion, proper digestion. So I'm next gonna add the kale in here. Let's add it little by little, and I'm gonna cook it in an open without the lid until the kale wilts and it is properly cooked. Guys, so here you can see all my kale has wilted, and I went ahead and I added my toor dhal and my tomato and the water. Now it's going to cook for a while in the open, and then I will put the lid and I will maybe give it a whistle or 2. So next I added in my tamarind juice and I added some salt, and you can see the water level. I have just enough water for the lentils and the greens to cook. I don't add too much of water. So I'm just gonna now close this and cook it, and I will get back to you. So here it is guys, our yummy kale and lentil. It's in Tamil it's called kiram masil, and I can smell it. It smells so good and yummy and inviting. Now I'm going to make it all come together with the use of a hand blender. You can use it, or you can just use the back of like a ladle, and you can just mash the things up, mash the lentil up and the greens, and you can serve it over rice with a dollop of ghee. It'll be so yummy. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And for more fun videos like this, subscribe to my channel and like my page on Facebook, and see you guys soon in another video. Until then, bye.